Friends, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download, install and use Vim text editor. So Vim is one of the most used text editor in the software development community. So it is really a fascinating text editor if you know how to use it. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So open up a browser of your choice. So for this demonstration video, I'm gonna use Firefox. Navigate to the URL bar and look for download Vim text editor. And so from the search result, click on the first link and this will take you to the official Vim website. So choose the operating system of your choice. So since I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna go with this Vim Win32 installer file. So it will take me to the GitHub page since this is an open source project. And from here, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to download the x64.exe file since I'm using the 64-bit Windows operating system. So downloadable pop-up window will open up and save that file. This will download the file and navigate to the downloaded folder, and now click on the exe file. This will definitely start installing the Vim text editor. So installer will ask you to input your choice of language of your choice, sorry. So English, and click next and accept the license agreement. Click next again, and you will find some options to choose in order to get along with this installation. For example, if you want the um, um, .bat files, so click this checkbox, and by default I'm going with the default ones, but there are several options from the dropdown you will find. So I'm going with the default one. So I'm gonna go with the typical thing. So now click on the next, go to the next again, and click on the install button. So this will take a while to install this text editor. So the installation is done. So if you want to get along with the documentation, please keep this checkbox on. This will open up the readme file. So for this demonstration, I'm gonna uncheck this and click on the finish button. So I hope the installation is done. So I'm gonna close this browser, and as you can see, this Vim icon, or it has been installed successfully. So these icons are available or visible on the desktop. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to open this tool now. Search gvim, open the app. So this looks like this. So you can definitely go ahead with these tools to change the theme for sure, but for this demonstration video I'm going to skip all these things. So I'm just going to show you how you can actually use this text editor even on the Linux machine. Okay, so most importantly, the shortcut keys or the command keys are the main focus of this demonstration video. So for example, this is the new file. So you're gonna type in something like this. So at first, this is on the read-only mode. So in order to enable the um, a write functionality, you have to press I, which will allow you to modify this document. Okay, so you will find this insert written right on the bottom of the text document. So now you can actually type in anything. So I'm gonna type, this is demo um, text file for beam demonstration. Okay, so now when you finish editing that file, press ESC, or the ESC button, and then press Shift. If you are using Windows, obviously press Shift and semicolon, which will be the colon symbol, and then now type W. That means we are writing this file, and press space, and then the path where you actually want to save this file, and the name as well, the file name as well. So I'm gonna save it right somewhere like this. So okay, this file has been saved somewhere on my system. Now I wanna actually close this editor. So press I again, and then ESC, and then clone, colon, and then type in Q. Okay, so now let's open that file, try to open that file. So as you can see, this vim.txt file has been generated here. So if we open this, okay, fine. Okay, now let's try to get back to the Vim text editor again, and now try to open that file from here. So at first, again press I, and then press ESC, then Shift colon, and then type E, which is this command key is used to open a file from a location. So press space and type in the path, or the file name. So it's going to be like this. So the full path of the text document has been put. So let me open that up. Okay, so now let's say you wanna update this file. Okay, so let's say this file has been updated. So when you finish editing that file again, so press ESC, press Shift semicolon, and then type in WQ if you want to save and quit. Okay, so I want to save and quit this file. So let me press enter. The file is saved and quit. So let me open that file again from here. As you can see, the file has been edited and closed. So that's all from this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Peace out. Bye.